Welcome to my channel. Here we have 11 plus 3 parenthesis 4 times 1 divided by 2 then minus 3. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 4 times 1 divided by 2. So in our parenthesis, 4 times 1 will give us 4, then divided by 2. Then we'll put it in our parenthesis. So we'll bring down our 11 plus 3 then minus 3. So 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Then we have 11 plus 3 times 2 minus 3. 11 plus 3 will give us 14. Then 14 times 2 minus 3. 14 times 2 is 28. Then we have 28 minus 3. 28 minus 3 will give us 25. So 25 is the wrong answer to this expression because we do not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. So in the order of operation, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 4 times 1 divided by 2. 4 times 1 will give us 4, then divided by 2. Then we'll put it down in our parenthesis. Then we have 11 plus 3 minus 3. So 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Then we have 11 plus 3 times 2 minus 3. So remember, in mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there is a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then we have 11 plus 6 minus 3. 11 plus 6 is 17. Then we have 17 minus 3 will give us 14. So 14 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.